Tired of standing around tightening nuts over long threaded rod? Stop wasting time hand threading nuts turn after turn and get the new Makita hollow sockets to automate the process. These innovative sockets feature a long hollow shaft that allows threaded rod and extra long bolts to pass through the head of the socket. Load the hollow sockets into an impact driver or driver drill and watch them turn and fasten nuts down like clockwork. Versatile 12-point sockets provide easy fitment over 6 and 12-point fasteners. And the additional length allows for extended reach into high, out-of-reach spaces. They're ideal for tightening nuts in overhead fixtures, ductwork, and piping, and are lightweight, so you can keep using them job after job.